get organized, get everything as much as you possibly can of the course built before day one, and work with the PDIT folks, with Lori and Bob, anytime you have questions. They're extremely great resources here. Very quick to respond, very smart, very skilled at what they do. Draw on the advice of veteran online faculty as well. You know, organization was always my biggest struggle, and making sure that I had a coherent, consistent experience for the students throughout the semester, while at the same time also don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to try something new. If it doesn't work, well, you learn that that didn't quite work, and you can try it a different way next time. Finally, another bit of advice is you know, there's so many resources out there on the internet that are available to link to, and there's a temptation, I think, sometimes to populate your modules in Cobra with links to interesting, useful, smart resources out there. And that's great, and we ought to take advantage of that, but I think that what we want to do is make sure that a majority of our course materials are original, that reflect ourselves as instructors, as faculty, and that convey who we are as educators as well, rather than just curating a collection of links to other resources. That'll take some time to develop that library of original materials, but that's the same with when we teach in the classroom. You know, there are certain exercises and activities, videos, lectures that we have put together in the classroom. It's the same thing in the online classroom. It's going to take a while, but the more original, authentic materials that really reflect who you are as an instructor, reflect your personality, reflect your approach to the content, I think that's going to be a key aspect as well, especially since it's an online class. It's easy for students to just not get a real strong sense of the personality of the instructor behind all of the words and stuff on the screen. So the more original content you can create, I think the better.